It is perfectly all right to relax and allow the mind to settle within, to lie in its own bed. This is the uncontrived way of resting. Anything else is unnecessary. Just as the brilliance of sunlight increases when it refracts and reflects on turbulent waters, emotions and thoughts proliferate in an agitated mind. Attempting to stop thoughts simply will not work. However, when the waters are no longer agitated but settled and calm, the reflection of the light rays will decrease. Just like that, allow the mind, which is the source, to settle calmly without mental agitation. Don't forget this experience, but rather use an uninterrupted flow of mindfulness and alertness to remain within the natural, empty, clear calmness of mind, focused and fresh. If there is an experience of blankness, relax into its natural calmness. If there is an experience of intense clarity, relax into its natural calmness.